Was curious how this brother-sister interaction was going to go. Adam Cox testified that when he expressed concerns about Lori, his whole family basically stopped talking to him. He wanted to help his sister, and Charles Vallow, her husband, was also desperate to try and save his wife. Take a look at this video in court today. Adam Cox testified he had flown out to Arizona and was planning on helping Charles Vallow have an intervention with Lori about her extreme beliefs. Charles indicated in a text message to Adam he was afraid she would hurt more people, and he was afraid he lost her forever, but still loved her more than life. Adam Cox testified that he was confused when his brother Alex did not respond to him, but even more so when Charles Vallow suddenly stopped texting him on July 11th. Adam said he didn't know for a couple days what happened to Charles until he mentioned to his friend Eric he was concerned. But Lori had a point to make to him today, too.
He was on his computer and he just Googled Charles Vallow, and he said it popped up that he's been killed by his brother-in-law.
So you learned this. What is going through your mind now?
Just everything, chaos. I had a knot in my stomach. Just probably one of the worst feelings I've ever felt in my life. No doubt on my mind that they killed him. That's a feeling that I got.
And you told your family that?
Yes.
Did you see with your eyes, or hear with your ears, or personally witness me conspire with my brother, Alex Cox, to murder my husband, Charles Vallow?
No.
Thank you. No more questions.
Adam Cox said his sister had told him she was, quote, translating from being a mortal human to immortal. Now, we've heard a lot about these religious beliefs over the course of this case. Lori's former friend also took the stand today, and Lori went in hard on cross-examination about her religious beliefs. We'll have what she said coming up today at 5. Guys, I'll send it back to you.
You know, Brianna, over the past couple of days, we've seen quite the contentious mood there in the courtroom. So what was the overall mood and feeling today between Lori and her brother?
Well, that was the first time we've seen her cross-examine her own family members. She's talked to friends, she was cross-examining police officers, but it was curious. I mean, they grew up pretty close together. They had a close relationship, but haven't spoken now for about 7-8 years. So it was interesting. Right when she got to the stand to start questioning him, she immediately said Mr. Cox, which of course was odd because this is her own brother. She seemed very snippy from the start, and he seemed pretty annoyed from the start. And you could feel that tension immediately when she got up there. And of course, that just kind of escalated through that entire part of court today. It's been an interesting day nonetheless, and we have a lot more to show you guys coming up here in our shows.
What a case, what a trial. Thank you so much, Brianna. Developing today as well.